Lika and the Sunflower. Illustrated by Desiree Grace A. Codillo. Once upon a time, there was a famous sunflower named Sunny. His sweet smell made bees buzz and butterflies flutter. But one morning, he lost his sense of smell. He couldn't smell anything. In a small cottage nearby, there was a little girl named Lika, who adored flowers more than anything in the world. She always visited Sunny every morning. His scent always made her happy. When she saw him drooping, she asked, "What's wrong, Sunny?" "I lost my smell." Lika wanted to help. First, she gave him some special tea and it smelled bad. But nothing worked. Sunny was still scentless. Lika felt so sad. So, she sat beside Sunny and read him stories to make him laugh. The bees and the butterflies still came, attracted by Sunny's bright, happy face. She learned that being a good friend was more important than smelling sweet. And Leka learned that true friend loves you no matter what. They lived happily ever after, proving that friendship is the best smells of all time. And that's the end of our story.